Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is powerful. It can change your life.
Yes, today we are talking about the power of self-discipline.
Self-discipline helps you wake up early. It helps you study. It helps you reach your goals.
And don't worry, we will use simple English, easy words, clear examples.
You will learn new phrases. You will practice speaking, and you will feel motivated.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel.
Ready? Take a deep breath.
Let's begin. Mia, what is self-discipline?
Self-discipline means doing something even when you don't feel like it.
That's a great definition.
For example, I feel tired, but I still go for a walk. That is self-discipline.
Let's repeat together. Self-discipline means doing it anyway. Good job.
Example 1. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Even on Sunday?
Yes, even on Sunday.
That is self-discipline.
Example 2. My quick breakfast is a banana. Then I study English for 20 minutes.
Small habits, big results. Repeat after me. Small habits, big results. Great.
Now listen carefully. I don't want to study. I feel lazy. But I open my book and study for 15 minutes. What happened here? First feeling, lazy. Action, study anyway.
That is self-discipline. Now listen again.
I don't want to study. I feel lazy. But I open my book and study for 15 minutes. Repeat. I study anyway. You're improving already.
Here are useful phrases. I feel lazy. I feel tired. I don't feel motivated. I will do it anyway. I will start now.
Let's practice a mini conversation.
I feel tired.
It's okay. Start small.
I don't feel motivated.
Just do 5 minutes.
5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. Repeat. 5 minutes is better than 0. Excellent.
Self-discipline is very important in the morning.
Yes, the morning is powerful.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I make my bed. I drink water.
Simple actions, strong mind. Let's practice speaking. Say, I wake up early. Say, I start my day strong. Very nice.
Self-discipline is important for learning English.
Yes, you don't need 3 hours.
Just 15 minutes every day. Example, I practice speaking every night. I repeat new words. I listen to podcasts.
And look at you now, listening and learning. Good job.
Let me tell you something. Last year, I felt lazy many times.
Really?
Yes, but I told myself, just start. I studied for 10 minutes, then 20 minutes. Now it is a habit.
That is powerful. Repeat after me. Just start. Again, just start. You can do it. Maybe today you feel tired. Maybe you feel slow. That is okay.
Self-discipline does not mean perfect. It means trying again.
If you stop, start again. If you fail, try again.
Every small action matters.
You are stronger than you think.
Yes, and we believe in you.
Let's review today's key phrases. Self-discipline means doing it anyway. Small habits, big results. 5 minutes is better than 0. Just start. I will do it anyway.
Try one small action today. Maybe wake up 10 minutes early. Maybe study English for 15 minutes. Maybe go for a short walk.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small habit you want to start this week? Or, what time do you wake up in the morning?
We love reading your answers.
Remember, Discipline is not about pressure, it is about growth.
You are improving every day.
Keep practicing, keep believing.
See you in the next episode. Bye.